So as you can see, this is my Obsidian note-taking app, and as you can see, this is a book suggested by a person, and the picture is big. And while I want to maintain the aspect ratio, I want to resize and make this image smaller so that, for example, the width of that image would be 183 pixels using Python programming language. So first of all, I need the path of this file. So in order to do so, I right click on this image, go to properties and then security and copy this path. And then I go to Python. So first of all, I should import the OpenCV package, and then I simply type cv2, which is that OpenCV package which we have imported in the first line. And then I use this function in order to read our image, and we should pass the path of that file. And I store the results in a variable called image. And this is going to be our new width, which is going to be 183 pixels. And before going further, we need to get the original dimensions of the image. So here we can see that I've typed image.shape, and I want to get the first two elements, which is going to be the height of the image and also the width of the image. So these are the original dimensions of the image. So as you can see, we want to change the width of the image to 183, but we want to maintain the aspect ratio. So in order to do so, we can use cross multiplying. So this is new height, new width, and this is original height, original width. And as you can see, this is the new width, which is going to be 183. And now we want to calculate the new height because we have original height and original width as well. And also this is the new width. So we want to calculate the new height using cross multiplying, and that's very easy. So using cross multiplying, we can calculate the new height. And remember that we should convert all of these stuff into an integer because the height needs to be an integer number. And after that, we need to resize the image. So you can see that we use this function cv2.resize, and we pass our image, and this is going to be the new dimension, which is going to be the new width and also the new height. And also for interpolation, I suggest using this one because it is going to maintain the quality as well. And after that, we store all the stuff in a variable called resized image. And now we need to write the image. I mean, we need to save that image. We are going to save this resized image variable, which we have defined in the previous line. And you want to store that image in this location. Actually, you want to replace that image. You want to overwrite that image. So I should pass this path in order to replace that image, and that's it. And now if I run the code, and now we can see in my Obsidian note-taking app, I have resized the image. And also I want to mention another note as well. If you want to shrink the image, I suggest passing this one to the interpolation because it is going to have a better quality. And for enlarging the image, I suggest these two, but this one is more complex and is going to take longer, but the quality is better. And here are two videos which I suggest you to watch as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.